All right, if you watched last night's video, got the corn all drilled in. Got about 3.5 inches of rain last night, so that's a pretty good start. Today, we're gonna come over here and crimp all this rye. And I know it looks like it's already down and dying, but it will stay green and turn to hard seed. The crimping process, this little deal right here, is gonna go through and break that rye. Normally, whenever you run over it with the direction you laid it down with the drill, you'll get about 3 good breaks in it. So it terminates that crop and leaves you with a really nice layer of thatch. I converted this plot over 2 years ago, and my kill plots over last year to just no tilling, just simply let the rye grow, crimp it over, and drill into it the following season. So we're going to try to get this one knocked out and 3 little kill plots knocked out. We are going to hop on the tractor and get to crimping. Let's go. Okay, a couple things on this rye too. You want to crimp it when it gets what they call to the doughy stage. I'll pluck one of these seeds out of here. Most of mine was ready, some of it is not. But I got probably 80% of it that is ready to go. If you do it too early, it'll stand back up. I don't know if you can see this or not. But you squeeze this seed right here, and you'll get this, basically, a yellow dough out of that thing. And that's kind of when you know it's ready. 4 hard seed, but not too soon or it just won't go. I do have some green stuff in here that's not quite ready yet, but we're crimping it anyway, and it's laying over really nice, so let's go. Guys, when you're crimping this stuff, whichever way you kind of laid it down with your drill, if you drilled into yours, mine, I tried to keep my rows kind of straight so if it does come up, I don't look stupid, like I actually have corn rows. Mine's north to south, so that's the way I'm crimping it, because that's the way the drill and the tractor kind of laid it over, north to south. That way you get the length of that rye as you're crimping it, not going over sideways. You won't do yourself any good that way. So that's what we got going on. I'm gonna hop back on the tractor and do some more crimping. About halfway done here and got 3 more kill plots to go. All right, I plucked one of these up, and here's kind of what you're looking at with a crimp. I got 1, 2, only got 2 out of that. Well, there's a third one, so 3 crimps with that. And that's what basically terminates that from the root. I pulled this one out of the ground, obviously, but it breaks it up in normally 3 spots. And that is why we crimp. All right, guys, crimping is done. And this is what we want right here. You still got some peas in there that they crimped over too. My only concern, not my only concern, I have tons of concerns, and I want this to work so bad with the corn, but we're in Arkansas, so we'll see. My only concern is this may be so thick that the corn may not pop up through that. But we shall see. Crimping is a wrap. Thanks for watching.